It's so quiet around here, like the trees are listening.
Maybe they are. They've seen what we have done and what we have ignored.
We always act like nature will just fix itself. But what if this time it's different?
That's why we made Nature's Revenge Countdown to Collapse.
It's a documentary that shows and tells how climate change, pollution, and extinction aren't just headlines. They're a part of the collapse we're going through.
It's not just doom, it's a wake up call and a chance to change the ending.
Tick, tick, tick. We thought we could conquer it, control the rivers, burn the forests, and tame the wild. But nature remembers everything. Nature's revenge. Countdown to collapse. This is not just a movie, it's a warning.
There is still breath, still time. This generation is rising. Nature doesn't take revenge, it balances the scale.
Proudly selected for the International Digital Fest 2025, premiering this on 10th May at Dubai University, where global voices meet to shape a sustainable future.